Hey guys, today we are with a new video, and our video is consists of two things. First, keyboard Maestro, and the second is to make a flow, automated flow, to create and download images automatically from Discord right into our folder, into our directory. Save images, to save it. So first of all, what is keyboard Maestro? Keyboard Maestro is a you can search, and that is only for macOS. That is not for Windows. Alright, so the thing is, so here's its page. So KM is a automation tool, so we can do repetitive tasks, and and we do not have to always do the same task. We are doing same day by same day, right? So as you can see, there are different of multiple actions and triggers, so you can do things automatic. So let's go to this. Here, this is the interface of keyboard Maestro. So first of all, there are triggers. This is the trigger part, and this below is the action part. So where we can add some actions. So if we do some trigger like hotkey triggers, if you press this key like shift 2, shift 3, shift 4, 5, anywhere, so when this trigger will hit, then the action will perform. So in my flow, what I was today trying to do is to create automated flow to create and download images in Discord. So first of all, I named this flow as for each. We can do this Discord. Alright. Oh, spelling mistakes. Discord. After that, we have this trigger, folder trigger. We have a bunch of triggers. You can see hotkey trigger. This status menu type string trigger is the you write any multiple words, right? The name or MA or AI, something like that. Appearance change application trigger, when you open, when this application will open, then this action will occur, like that. So run and display and drag file and launch, bunch of triggers. So now in this thing I use this folder trigger. What I'm trying to do is, like, I open this folder trigger and set a path. This automation key pass this code folder. I have this folder in my, so in the Discord folder, there is the Discord folder. When I hit an API, this is my prompt. When I hit an API like this, the JSON format, this is my, you can ask for ChatGPT to create a JSON request code to send the JSON data and create a JSON file for me, right? So that I simply do. That is 3 to 3 lines of code. Request is equal to get data dot get JSON and create a file. Write the JSON into that file and save it to your Discord folder, right? So I hit this prompt, and when I send this button, it will create a new file for me in the Discord folder, and then it will trigger. I use this action for each, that if this file name contains the JSON file name at the end of the file name, if it contains the JSON then the folder will trigger and the all the actions will perform. So what it do is, if it didn't detect the JSON file, then it will say step will not move forward, right? It's a condition, if else. And then if it works, then it will go to the next action, which is, I did is to detect the latest JSON file and pick this message property. You can do this by asking ChatGPT. So to detect the latest file and grab the message property by dot message. It will grab only the aliens on Earth, the prompt. It will only grab the prompt and save it, and you can see this shell script is, you can write a Python script, right? So here's a bunch of actions we have, and I say is save results to variable, and this variable I use, and this I use the Discord prompt, saved to the Discord prompt, and then I say a confirmation message that by using this syntax, variable Discord prompt, right? And it will, what I do is, when I hit the JSON API and send the message, it will detect the JSON file, and then it grabs my prompt, and then it show me the prompt in a text box, and then it opens the Discord application. Here's an action of opening the Discord application, and then we will wait for 2 seconds, and then we will write this thing. Imagine, you can know Midjourney bot use the imagine tag, and then we add this variable. We add the 2-second pause, and then press enter. That's the keystroke action. And as in your all action, you can see there's a type of keystroke. So you can use enter keystroke, right? And then we will wait for the 60 seconds, and this is the code. And then this code will, if you didn't run the code in VS Code, don't worry about that. If you write this line, uses the folder path where your Python is, where your Python interpreter is, and then where your file is, space with your, where is your, and the path where is your to download the image code. My image code is in that folder. Let me show you. That's Discord images.py. So that is my code to save the images, right? And let me start this thing for you guys. So now when I use this, let me just because I am a window user and this is my colleague's MacBook, so that is why I'm using the AnyDesk thing for you. So that is my so you have to create a private server and connect with the Mojo bot or Midjourney bot, this one. So my application is open. So what it'll do is this side creates things for you guys. So let me just hit the API for you guys. When I just hit the API, send. As you can see, it grabs and then it sends the API to Midjourney. I didn't do anything. I didn't write anything in Midjourney. And now you can see here the image is created. And my output folder is the assets folder where I write this thing. Let me show the images for you guys. Oh, damn. The images are saved. This one? Yeah. After that, this one. After that, this one. And after that, this one. I also took this thing. These images. All 4 images are saved in my folder. I can do whatever I want, right? So that's a very powerful automated tool. Keyboard Maestro, or fully automated. I didn't do anything. I didn't manually write the prompt. I didn't manually write the save image, right? Thank you for your time. Bye.